Hello, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle of today. Yes, it's a tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, March the 4th, 2023. And here I've already solved 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. It's the tectonic with well, I don't know how many stars, but this will be number I believe number 6064. Yeah, 6064. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 19. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Single box is always a 1. Next question, the dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me scan. No dual boxes. I see 2 triple boxes. Here, triple box. And where's the other one? This one. Yeah. The one is already filled in. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Alright. 2 and the 3. Here also the 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. So 4 or a 5. Here also the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Other side is also 4 or a 5. Box near the middle box. Alright. Then the following question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Boxes with 4 numbers. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember this is mirrored. Yeah, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Do we have more L shapes here? No, only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. It's a 4. Yeah, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, I believe the last... Oh, overlook this L shape. We have another L shape here. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. It's a 5. Alright. And the last shape, this one, let me draw this here. Can I draw this here? Yeah, let me draw this here. I have no room here. Well, let me draw this here. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there, and this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 2 here or 3 there, I can fill any 2 in one or any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left a pair, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So the other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Okay. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. And we have a double 1 there. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5. It goes there. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 to 4, 2 to 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 1 also. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And so I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then, let me see. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2 and those 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. So this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3. But also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Wow. And how about the 1 could be everywhere? Well. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 5 and that box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. 1 and a 3. I need to think. No 1 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Yeah. No 3 here. Come on. 1 and the 4. Yeah, 1 and the 2. 3, 2, 3. Need a 1 here. What's happening now? Cannot fill any numbers here. This box can be 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so no 3 there. But also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, sorry, can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers the 1, and the 5, well, I cannot place the 1 there, because we have a 1 already here. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4. It can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, 50 minutes, not faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Sunday. I will do the Samurai Sudoku and the rest of the additional. Not all, 4 of them. 4 puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.